Good morning.
What's good about it?
Sun shining.
Yes, lovely weather.
It's only a year since we put them in. What are you doing?
You know exactly what I'm doing, but for content for the internet. So, let me explain the stages of this front garden. It was originally grass when we moved in, and I put all this down, got a mini digger, dug it up, put all this down. Sleepers went down at the same time. This has been transferred back into what it used to be, but it belongs to the next door neighbours. These were going to be a hedge growing up here, which are growing nicely. But now we've had another change of plan, because my bonus is not going to be used for a motorbike. My bonus is going to be used to block pave the whole driveway, which will look nice when it's finished.
It will.
To do that, all the stuff I put down, they're going to come back up again.
Yep.
So this is stage one.
Stage one.
Remove
Yeah.
all the plants.
Remove the plants.
And then some of this gravel's going to go on there to try and build this up, because this is a bit of a waste ground for them. It's weird around here because all that is built up, their driveway's built up, all the path's built up, but it slopes down to ours.
Yeah.
So it's crazy. It wants levelling off, but thousands. So that's what I'm doing. Plants are up.
Yes, plants are coming up today.
Yeah.
And there's also a couple over by that pillar by the front door, and they're going to be coming up as well. But we think we're going to put those in the back garden somewhere. We've got a clematis and a fuchsia, haven't we?
Yep.
And they've been in for donkey's years.
So yeah, they're going to be fun to get up.
They will. They have grown really, really well.
Yes.
Got no idea what they're called, but hedging, evergreen. Yes. Hello, Teddy. Teddy. Oi, Ted. I'm not speaking to you. Oh, so there you are.
What?
You finished?
I think so. Sleepers are out.
Yeah, sleepers are at the end there.
Got the last remaining yuccas out of this bit here. That then's going to be dug up, and some of this gravel on the drive is going to be put in there. Sleepers will go back down flat to try and make a border. Stop the stones coming over. I think it'll all work.
Let's hope so.
Bloody bank holidays.
I know. Are you digging those out today or leaving that for tomorrow?
No, I'm digging them out today.
Okie dokie. Just checking.
Just checking, yeah, just checking. Don't give me a minute, will ya?
I will.
Cheer. God,
All right then.
work me to the bone. Oh. Every blooming bank holiday. Everything, always the same. Sun comes out, gardening, sweating. Too old for this.
I have to pay a gardener then.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
We're paying enough for the driveway.
Yeah, exactly. Right. Okie dokie. Say bye-bye then.
Bye-bye then.
Oh, crikey. Well done. Well, I thought you'd have more of a job than that, I've got to say. It's been there for donkey's years, hasn't it? Yeah, you can see the clay. Oh, it looks as though it's out, doesn't it, until you go to pull it?
There's a lot of soil
Yeah.
and a lot of roots.
And they're going to be all mixed up with the calamities. Yay, well done, blimey. Well done. Oh. Oh. There's the roots, crikey.
It ain't one plant.
Is it not? Oh. Oh.
Alright, once you can get the roots.
Oops, a few more.
That's it.
Oh, is that it? Okay, okay. Oh, well done. Right then. A little bit less for the builders to do. Isn't it? Got to find a home for them now. Okay. Well done, thank you.